In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom emoji in Reddit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to upload your own emoji so your community can start using them right away. First, you'll need to be on Reddit and signed in to an account that has moderator permissions for the subreddit you want to customize. Custom emoji are a moderator feature, so if you don't see some of these options, make sure you're using an account with the right access. Start by going to your subreddit's main page. This is the community where you want the custom emoji to live. Once you're there, look for the moderator tools. On desktop, you'll usually find a mod tools button or link around the right side or near the top, depending on the current Reddit layout. Go ahead and click on mod tools to open the moderation panel. Inside mod tools, you'll see a list of sections that control different aspects of your community. You're looking for the section called look and feel. This is where Reddit lets you change visual elements like banners, icons, and of course, custom emoji. Click on Look and Feel to open it. Within the Look and Feel area, find the option labeled Custom Emoji. This is the dedicated space where all your subreddit's emoji are managed. Click on Custom Emoji and you should see any existing emoji your community already has, along with an option to add new ones. To create a new emoji, click on the Add Emoji button. This will open a panel or a pop-up with on-screen prompts. From here, just follow the instructions Reddit gives you. Typically, you'll be asked to upload an image file that will become your emoji, and then give that emoji a short name or keyword. Try to choose a clear, simple name that your community will remember and can quickly type when they want to use it. Pay attention to any size or format recommendations shown on screen.